In this video we're going to look at how to draw a tree diagram to list outcomes and also a two-way table to list outcomes. So our first example here, we've been given a menu. There's two choices for starter, soup or salad, 3 choices for mains, chicken, beef or veg, and 2 choices for dessert, ice cream or apple tart. With the tree diagram, we can list all of the outcomes in a systematic way that we won't forget any. Okay, so we start off with the first event, which is soup or salad. Okay, so our 2 options here are soup and salad. Then we move on to our main. If we pick soup, we have 3 choices for our main course. We have chicken, beef, and vegetarian. Okay, if we pick salad, we also have 3 choices. We have chicken, beef, or vegetarian. Then moving on to our dessert, if we have soup for starter, chicken for main, we have 2 options for dessert, ice cream or apple tart. Same goes for the beef, ice cream or apple tart. And for the veg, ice cream, apple tart. And this will be really repetitive. Ice cream, apple tart, ice cream, and apple tart. So if we were to list these outcomes, the first one is soup, chicken, and ice cream. The second one, so soup, chicken, ice cream. Now we can go chicken, soup, chicken, apple tart. And I'm not going to continue on, but you can list all of those outcomes out. If we pick this outcome, for example, it would be salad, chicken, and ice cream. So by using the tree diagram, we're ensuring that we're not forgetting any of the outcomes. Next up, we're going to move on to two-way tables. The example that I've given here is rolling a die and spinning a spinner. A die is just a singular die. Okay, so what we're going to start off with is drawing our table. I have 4 options for the spinner, so I can land on 1, 2, 3 or 4. So I'm going to put those into the diagram, into the table. So 1, 2, 3 and 4 goes here. And rolling a die, that goes up here. The outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. And so when I do those 2 things together, my possible outcomes are that I get a 1 and a 1, a 1 and a 2, a 1 and a 3. So we're looking left and up, left and up, left and up, 1 and 4, 1 and 5, 1 and 6, 2 and 1, 2 and 2, 2 and 3, 2 and 4, 2 and 5, 2 and 6, 3 and 1, 3 and 2, 3 and 3, 3 and 4, 3 and 5, 3 and 6. And then lastly, we're going to do our 4s. So 4 and 1, 4 and 2, 4 and 3, 4 and 4, 4 and 5, and 4 and 6. Sometimes it might get you to add those together to get your outcome. So this would be 2, this would be 3, this would be 4, but it would specify in the question. And using this method, there's no chance of you forgetting any of the outcomes. So in total, if we use our fundamental principle of counting, the number of outcomes for rolling a die is 6. The number of outcomes for spinning a spinner is 4. So if we multiply those 2 together, there should be 24 total outcomes. And if we look inside our table here, there is 24.